That old PC collecting dust in the corner. It could be running your entire smart home right now. For free. Home Assistant is one of the most powerful smart home platforms on the planet. And you do not need a Raspberry Pi, a subscription, or expensive hardware to run it. In the next 10 minutes, you will install Home Assistant OS on an old budget PC. From scratch. Step by step. Let us get into it. Home Assistant is free, open source software that lets you control smart devices locally, without sending your data to Google, Amazon, or any other cloud service. That means your lights, sensors, cameras, and automations all talk to each other inside your own home network. No internet required. No monthly fees. No privacy concerns. For South African users, this matters even more. Load shedding means cloud-dependent smart home systems fail the moment your router loses power. A local Home Assistant setup, running on a UPS, keeps working even when the grid does not. Now, why an old PC instead of a Raspberry Pi? Pi prices have gone up significantly. A decent Pi 4 kit with a case and SD card can cost over R1,500 in South Africa right now. An old Pentium or Core i3 desktop from a second-hand shop. You can find those for R300 to R600. They run cooler, have more storage options, and are easier to replace if something breaks. The minimum specs you need are actually very modest: 4 GB of RAM. A 32GB hard drive or SSD. A 64-bit processor. That is it. Most PCs made after 2012 qualify. Home Assistant OS is a dedicated operating system. It replaces whatever is on that PC entirely. You are not installing this on top of Windows. The whole drive gets wiped and Home Assistant takes over. Keep that in mind before you start. Before we touch anything, here is what you need to have ready. 1. An old PC or laptop. 64-bit. 4 gigs of RAM minimum. 2. A USB drive, at least 8 gigabytes. 3. A second computer to prepare the USB drive. 4. A wired Ethernet cable for the Home Assistant machine. Wireless works, but wired is more stable. We also have a free setup checklist you can download from our Gumroad page. Link is in the description. It covers every step in this video plus some extras for after installation. Step 1. Download the Home Assistant OS image. Open your browser and go to home-assistant.io. Click on Installation. Select the option for a generic x86-64 system. Download the image file. It will end in .im. .xz. Do not extract it. Leave.